Hi Raishuna, thank you for considering my application. My name is MD Monirujjaman Moon. I am a full stack web developer and digital marketing specialist from Bangladesh. So I have 10 years of experience in WordPress development, WordPress, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Shopify, WooCommerce, SEO, website optimization, app integration, React.js, Node.js, Laravel, Python, and some other categories. I have already developed about 300 plus websites on different platforms like WordPress, React.js, Node.js, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, and lots of platforms. I can fix bugs from any type of website, remove hacking codes or any type of bugs from the code, and make the website fresh and secure. And for custom development, I can make any type of functional mobile and web development. Just I need to have strict work details. And I'd like to show some of my projects, like you can search Live Finder, Lollicup Store, Venture Shuffleboard, Rehabit.app, Buddy these are the popular websites I have built. You can just search those online to find those. Throughout my freelancing career, I have worked with clients from most of the clients of USA, UK, Australia, and Europe. I regularly communicate through Google Meet, Zoom, and uh, Microsoft Team. I enjoy understanding client requirement, explaining the technical details in simple language, and helping clients make informed decisions. So I am interested in this role because I enjoy solving technical problems while also interacting with clients. I believe my technical experience together with my communication skills would allow me to represent your company professionally during technical interviews and client discussions. Uh, that's it all. Thanks again for your time. I appreciate the opportunity and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.